Hello students, I'm your tutor Sarah Adebola and you're welcome to another episode of Natural Skincare Formulation. So now we're going to go to brambleberry.com and we're already on the lye calculator, so you can just search Brambleberry lye calculator and to bring you straight there. So we're going to select type of soap, which is solid soap. We're trying to make a bar soap, and we're going to be calculating in percentage. Now in Nigeria we use grams, not ounces, so I'm changing it to grams. Now the superfatting level for this soap I'm trying to make, I just want to stay at 4%. And we'll click on next. For this, I'm going to be using my olive oil, and I'm going to be using that at 50%. And I'm also going to be using coconut oil at 50%. So that's that about that. So it has calculated the formula for us, and this is it. We're going to be using 151.2 grams of lye, 338.11 gram of liquid, that's water, and you see, this is our formula. It has calculated it for us, and that's that about that. So this is what our formula is going to turn out to be. So we're going to just have to make a screenshot of that, and we're going to go to our lab to formulate. Now we're just going to go ahead to measure out our water and our lye. Please and please, when handling lye, use your personal protective equipment and be very careful. Lye can be very harmful to your skin, so please be sure that it doesn't touch any part of your skin. Be as careful as possible, and when you're going to mix it with water, make sure you're wearing your nose mask correctly and you're wearing your protective eyeglasses. And don't ever add water to lye. You add lye to water. Please don't ever add water to lye. You add lye to water. Adding water to lye can be eruptive. It's going to form like a mini volcano, and it's just going to, swell out, and it can hurt you. So do it the other way around. Add lye to water. And be careful when you've added it, because it's going to heat up. It's still going to have that chemical reaction, like you can see right now. See there, it has heated up. It's so hot, it's boiling hot. So we're going to let that cool down, and we're going to go ahead to measure out our oils now. You're going to allow the lye solution to cool down to about 10 degrees from the oil's temperature. Make sure that it cools down so much that the degrees of the oils and the lye solution are just within 10 degrees from each other. So that's how long that you're going to allow your lye solution to sit and cool for. Now we're going to check the temperature, and as you can see, they're just 5 degrees from each other, which is perfect. So now you have to be careful when handling the lye. Just put your stick blender bottom in the oils so that you're going to use it to glide the lye softly into the oils without splashing it all over the place and causing a mess. And then you're going to attach the top, and you're going to blend for a couple seconds, just for a few seconds, till everything solidifies. If you're using olive oil and coconut oil, you'd find out that it actually solidifies pretty quickly than any other type of oil. Make sure that your coconut oil is cold processed, and you're going to love the outcome. So we're going to blend till light to medium trace. If you don't understand what trace means, you would see in a few seconds now what trace means. Here we blended for about 25 seconds, and as you can see, there's no more oils on top of the soap. We've been able to achieve a light trace at this point because it has thickened. And as I'm lifting the stick blender and the soap is dripping back into the bowl, you can see that it's kind of sitting on top of the soap in the bowl, but not much. But here you can see that it is sitting properly on top of the bowl. This is medium trace now. For some unknown reason, my phone stopped recording at this point, but what you're going to do immediately you've achieved your medium trace is you're going to pour the soap directly into your soap mold, and that's just basically what you're going to do. Make sure you do it as fast as possible before the soap thickens. And now I'm just laying the top of my soap mold. I'm going to allow the soap sit for 24 hours for it to harden, and then I'm going to remove it from the soap mold and wrap it with a cling film and then store it up for about 3 to 4 weeks. Your soap has to cure. The lye in the soap has to cure before you can use it, else it's going to cause some skin irritations. This is your homework for today. See you in the next lesson.